Algae are arguably some of the most successful forms of life on the planet. And though you might not know it, you and I, and everyone we know, is alive today because of their success. Over a period of several million years, the changes brought about on Earth by these organisms created the conditions for life as we know it to evolve. If you hopped in a time machine and travelled back 2.5 billion years, you wouldn't be able to breathe. There was almost no oxygen. Life had first appeared on Earth a million years earlier, in the form of simple organisms like bacteria. This early life thrived in an atmosphere thick with volcanic gases like nitrogen, methane, carbon dioxide, and sulfur. In the shallow seas of this hostile world, an organism called cyanobacteria evolved a remarkable way of acquiring energy, known as photosynthesis. In doing so, they seeded the atmosphere with oxygen for the first time. And over the next billion years, cyanobacteria produced enough oxygen to change the world forevermore. Initially, this created a mass extinction, as the oxygen algae created was poisonous to much of the existing bacterial life on Earth. However, it set in motion an astonishing, life-giving possibility. By 600 million years ago, the abundance of oxygen created by algae caused the ozone layer to spontaneously form around the Earth, which offered protection from the sun's most harmful UV radiation. This incredible biochemical protection allowed early life to emerge from the deep oceans and the evolution of higher plants and forests, which in turn increased the amount of oxygen in the atmosphere. With an abundance of plants for food and oxygen to create energy, organisms grew to be larger and more mobile. Without algae, life on this planet may never have evolved beyond a single cell. Algae's earliest ancestors have now evolved to over 70,000 known species, which drive life in the oceans and in freshwater lakes and rivers. Algae play an important role in global oxygen production and carbon storage in the oceans, and have adapted to live in deserts, glaciers and soils, and even with other organisms, as coral and lichen. Algae played an important role in our past, and it will play an important role in our future too. Today, scientists are turning to these innovative change makers to help solve some of the most pressing modern sustainability problems of our time. To learn more, visit us over at the Deep Green Biotech Hub.